Hi friends, my name is Mr. Jake. Today, let's learn how to make the letter A in sign language. Are you ready? Here we go. This is how you make an A, make an A, make an A. This is how you make an A in sign language. Very good, friends, we did it. We made an A in sign language. Now that we've done that, I think it's time to see what's hiding inside of our mystery box. I wonder what could be first. I found something! An accordion! Think of all the songs we could play. I wonder what's next. An apple! Okay, there should be one more thing hiding inside of our mystery box. An alligator!
Yummy!
Accordion, apple, and alligator all start with the letter A. Now, let's watch a video on alligators. An alligator is a large reptile with short legs. It has a long body and tail and a long, wide snout. Alligators are protected by thick skin with many hard bumps. They live in rivers, lakes, swamps, and other bodies of water in the southeastern United States and in China. Alligator.